We have an update on a story about a woman accused of intentionally coughing on a 1-year-old boy at a Yogurtland in San Jose. This is new video of the incident just released by the San Jose Police Department. So look at the right side of your screen. The woman seems to point to the ground, then approaches a mom standing with her son in a stroller nearby. Watch as the woman just pulls down her mask, and then she coughs 2 to 3 times in the baby's direction. Police say the woman was upset, believing the mom wasn't maintaining proper social distance.